Hey, what's going on, Warriors? What if I told you that a chess champion in a chess tournament burns more calories than an Olympic athlete? Why is that? Is that true? Of course it is, right? Because your brain is an energy hog, right? And the two things that it needs for activation, of course, we talked about oxygen. We've dived into that a lot, but we haven't really talked about glucose yet and why that's important. So what's glucose? Glucose is sugar, okay? So we have different forms of sugar. We have complex carbohydrates. We have simple carbohydrates. So some samples of some complex would be like oatmeal and granola. Some simple, we've been talking about things like straight up sugar from a packet, fruit, things like that activate quickly in your system. And your brain uses that to help fuel it, okay? And we know it because even though there is different diets out there, yes, we have the keto diet, all kinds of things, but eventually that everything that protein gets broken down to, your body changes it into a glucose so the brain can fuel it. Also, anytime you put sugar into your system, any amount of sugar in your system while you're in ketosis, you can get kicked out of it quick because that is the brain's number one preferred fuel source. So why is that important? Why am I telling you this? If you're doing drills and you're noticing you're not getting better, it could be a fuel problem, right? So especially during brain injury and things like that, and you're trying to heal, getting that fuel to your brain is vitally important for it to change, right? For it to be plastic and be able to adapt all these things that we're doing. So say between drills, between your breathing, right? Between mobility, just take a little bit of sugar in and eat it. However you want to do that, right? I'm not a nutritionist. I'm not going to prescribe what to eat. I'm just saying some sort of glucose, some sort of complex carbohydrate, maybe even some sort of simple carbohydrate to get it in your body a little bit faster. And then do the drills, reassess, see if that didn't make you better. If this didn't blow your mind, I don't know what will. So hopefully it did. Hashtag nugget below and let me know your aha moment.